Hello everybody, this is DJ Silene, also known as Miss Corn. And remember, boys and girls, in our class today, we are doing an experiment and we're trying to find out which soap makes the most bubbles, right? We have the liquid detergent, we have the bar of soap, and we have the powder detergent. And we talk about in class today and we try to make a hypothesis. And remember, I asked you what soap you thought would make the most bubbles, and we created a graph to represent your answers. So we have some boys and girls that thought that the liquid soap would make bubbles. We actually had 8 people thinking that. 5 people thought that the powder soap would make more bubbles, and 4 people thought that the bar of soap would make more bubbles. So this is the hypothesis. This is what you thought was going to happen. And like I told you before, scientists, they make a hypothesis, they try to guess what will happen, and then they do an experiment to prove the hypothesis, to see if they were right or they were wrong. And it doesn't really matter if you're right or wrong, because what's important is what we're going to learn from this experiment. So what I did so far, I got 3 bowls that are kind of the same size, and I put the same amount of water in each bowl. I got these little containers and I put the soap inside, because when we're making an experiment, we're trying to be precise, right? We don't want to put a lot of one thing because that could mess up the experiment. So I put the same amount of liquid soap. I got my bar of soap and I scraped some soap and put it in this cup. And I also have the powder soap. So all the little containers have the same amount of soap. All right, so let's see what happens. All right, first thing, I'm going to pour the liquid soap here. And I'm going to pour the bar soap here. And over here, I'm going to put the powder detergent. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a look. Well, the bar of soap did not make that many bubbles at all. And here is the powder, and here is the liquid. So what do you guys think? I am concluding that the powder soap makes the most bubbles. I hope you enjoy this science experiment, and you can always do some other experiments at your house. Just find something that you'd like to know more about. Think about what's gonna happen. Go ahead and test your hypothesis and get to your conclusion. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.